Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known how to retrieving inserted data from the database using PHP programming language. It's a very super easy to get the data. Previous lecture, we have seen how to insert the data. In this lecture, you will be known how to retrieve the inserted data and view as a report or form in our front end. Let's see how simple it is. Now for this, I'm creating a new page, so-called it is functionality. We'll see here, like a view form I'm creating. Create a new form and paste over here. And the form, everything is ready. And I will be seen here. It's very super easy. View.php I'm naming. It's done. Almost it's done. You will be excited more and more. See, for this form, what I'm doing to establish, like we are trying to retrieving a data from database. So what we require at the beginning, we need to establish a database connection. So it is here, load current.php, we have a database connection. If you are not gone through the database connection lecture, go through there and you will find out how to establish a database connection successfully. And now select query will help you to get the data from the database. All right, see here the query variable it is taken as a QRY means query, and the select start from registration. It will fetch you the data from database. Select what are the columns. Start indicates all the columns. If you want to specific columns only, you have to specify column names like here on the query window, like a query you have to establish like a name and email. Likewise, what are the parameters you require to collect from the registration table? As of now, for the demonstration, I am collecting all the parameters from the database table. So I am mentioning is in a while pod of start. Now let's see here. MySQL query is also required two parameters. I'm passing one is connection and another one is query. While executing this, it will be result set will be loaded here. Now see here, this is the table I am prepared here for establishing like a clean design to like display the visualization of the data, table headers for name, email, and the password. And here it is showing that T body, where here what I'm doing, let's see here. Yeah, it will be visible now. With this result set, once it is loaded, I am loading here with the PHP while loop I'm using. With the using of while loop, MySQL underscore fetch underscore array, the array data which is available in result set of this variable. This is the variable is placed here on MySQL fetch array data, this variable. And I'm assigning these fetch array variables to this row variable here. And while loop will rotate like iterates for till end of the data of the parameters. All right, now on each row I'm calling as in a database column like a table column names of name, email, and password. This is I have given to making show you like a predefined method of PHP to making string to upper means uppercase only I want to visible at the end of the client form the result set. And this is I have taken for initial value of serial number, and the serial number I have applied for the row count row number to be displayed, and serial number here you see here for on every row it will be like 1 2 3 4 to increment on each and every number. All right, I don't have any problem to n number of rows also I can prepare for a table. Let's see now view.php, just we run it. Almost our solution is done. Yeah, view.php. Let's hit enter. Wow, Shekhar dot. It's created the name farinate@gmail.com, like a frahari@gmail.com, and admin is password. All the things we get from the database. See, this we are seeing here. All right, that is a pretty easy to fetch the data by using the select query and populating at the front end, like making a reports. Very super easy. I hope you will be get a super exciting to getting such data. I hope you are very simple to understand this fetching the data. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.